A large part of what shapes the identity of Nagueños is a passionate belief in their faith. For the majority of Nagueños, the faith includes our beloved Lady of Peña Francia and the divine face of Jesus, or Divino Rostro.
Sa devoted Catholic kasi ako sa part ng mga taga-Naga. So I grew up with this tradition. Divino Rostro, si Peña Francia ina.
This faith began when a cholera epidemic broke out in Manila in 1882 and was dispelled after people flocked to venerate the image of Our Lady of Peña Francia and the Divino Rostro, which were both in the cathedral at the time. In Thanksgiving, the people promised to celebrate the feast of both images together. Since then, the Divino Rostro continues to occupy the Minor Basilica of Our Lady of Peña Francia and is now actually being restored and made into the first ever Divino Rostro exhibit. Certainly a big deal not only for Nagueños but for all Bicolanos as well.
Right now, we're assessing / documenting yung current state niya, and which will later guide us anong areas yung pwede namin i-test.
The restoration will run from June 18 until July 3. So if you're a Nagueño, Bicolano, or you're just interested in the images our city holds near and dear, be sure to drop by when it's done.